Hello, beautiful people. Today we are going to be making this delicious mouth-watering moi moi. Okay, so I'm not going to be talking much in this video because I'm sure you're going to be seeing everything that I'm doing. So let's get straight to it.
For this recipe, I'm going to be using beans. I've already peeled the back of my beans. This is tatashi, shombo, onions, and green pepper, and fish. I'm going to be adding fish and egg. Okay, so let's get straight to it.
Just say run, and I will follow you anywhere. And you have my heart, even when I am not there. Just say run.
I'll be adding salt. Yes, curry. This is me spice. Thyme and seasoning cube. I'll also add crayfish. I like crayfish in my mama, but some people don't used to like it. But for me, I like to be generous with crayfish, so that is it.
Just say run, and I will follow you anywhere. And you have my heart, even when I am not there. Just say run. Just say run. Just say run. Just say run, and I will follow you anywhere. And you have my heart, even when I am not there. Just say run. Just say run. Just say run. Just say run, and I will follow you.
Please, when adding water, make sure your water doesn't come up to the first row. You don't even need much water to get this done. You just need a little amount of water.
Just say run, and I will follow you anywhere. And you have my heart, even when I am not there.
Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Come on, eat, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.